Hi everybody, so welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are going to see solubility of gas in liquids. Okay, so what is basically solubility of gas in liquids? Itself it is here, right? How your gas is going to dissolve in liquids, that we can study from the solubility of gas in liquids. See, how much gas can dissolve in a liquid at given temperature and pressure. In particular temperature and pressure, how much gas can dissolve in the liquid, that we can learn from the solubility of gases in liquids. For example, you remember, like, we have a beaker, okay, and we have liquid here. Then into this beaker we are adding the gas, okay. So when we will add the gas, whatever the vacant space present in the liquid, your gas molecule will come and occupy. Okay, that's what dissolution is taking place in your gas in liquids. Okay, so for example, how your oxygen is getting dissolved in the blood, as well as carbon dioxide is dissolved in the soft drinks, right? Carbonated drinks like our Sprite, Coca-Cola, everything. So here the carbonate is getting dissolved. Okay. Then next we will see the factors affecting solubility of gas in liquids. Here the most important which you have to remember is the effect of pressure. Okay. So in the effect of pressure, you have to remember the Henry's law. This will come for 2 marks also. The overall solubility of gas in liquid is a 5-mark question. Okay. So for 2 mark section, you have to remember the Henry's law. So what is the Henry's law? At a constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas above the liquid. Okay, this is what Henry's law. What Henry's law states that at the constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas above the liquid. Okay, so when you are increasing the pressure, the more gas will get dissolved. Okay, so when you are reducing the pressure, gas will comes out. For example, you had sealed one bottle. Okay, for example, you had taken the Sprite bottle. It's already sealed, right? So the pressure is more and the more gas is dissolved in your particular bottle. Okay, sealed bottle. Once you are open the bottle, what will happen? Your gas molecules will come out. That means it will escape. That is happening here. That means if the less pressure, gas molecules will come out. Okay, that we can learn from the effect of pressure. So the relation between effect of pressure is given by Henry's law. I hope you understood. Okay, next we will go for the next parameter, that is effect of temperature. So in other cases, we know if we are increasing the temperature, the solubility also will increase. But in gases in liquid, if you are increasing the temperature, the solubility will decrease. As well as if you are decreasing the temperature, solubility will increase. Okay, that means when you are heating, when you are giving the temperature, we know the molecules, kinetic energy will increases and molecules will escape. The distance between far, right? So in that case, gas molecules escape. That means what will happen? Obviously, it can't dissolve. That's the reason. If increasing the temperature, we'll get the decreasing solubility. For example, you can tell warm water. Okay, warm water, it contains less oxygen, right? Okay, that means what? In the case of temperature, it won't stay. So if you are taking cold water, in the cold water, solubility of gas is high. That means oxygen it contains. Oxygen won't stay in your warm water. Okay, that's a example for effect of temperature. Now comes to the nature of gas in liquid. That means we know polar solute will dissolve in the polar solvent, right? In the same way applicable here also. Here the polar gas will dissolve only in the polar liquid and non-polar gas will dissolve in the non-polar gas will get dissolved in the non-polar liquid. Okay. So, effect of pressure, temperature and nature of the liquid. This is the very nature of gas in liquid. This 3 parameter is very important. So, here in the solubility of gas and liquids, what you will learn? How much gas can dissolve in your liquid at the particular, at the constant temperature and pressure, and the factors pressure, temperature and nature of the solvent. In the pressure, you have to remember, if you are increasing the pressure, you will get the increasing solubility. If you are decreasing pressure, decreasing solubility. And if you are increasing temperature, decreasing solubility. If you are decreasing the temperature, increasing solubility. Nature of the gas and liquid means polar gas will dissolve in the polar liquid. Non-polar gas will dissolve in the non-polar liquids. That's this is a very simple. I hope you people understood. If you are having any doubts, you please comment in the comment section. So hope you understood. Bye bye.